Happy Monday! We are starting another week, and I've got another great art project for our rainy, cloudy, gloomy day. So, we have been talking about pond life. And last week we talked about a lot of insects that hang out at the pond, we talked about amphibians, we talked about frogs and dragonflies, and today we're talking about the flora, which, can I have anybody guess what they think flora is? What does it sound like? Does it sound like flowers? Yeah, so we're talking about the flora that surrounds the pond. So, you all probably didn't know this, but there are specific flora and flowers that only grow near ponds. So today we're going to be making our own flowers to design around our own pond life. So there's different reasons why flora grows by ponds. So a lot of them need constant water. They need that mucky root to hold down because they're so light and feathery. So what are some flowers or flora we know that are around the pond? Let's think. I know that there are bobtails. Those are the really long green ones with the brown little flora at the end of it. There's reeds, and you know what reeds are really great for? Dragonflies and butterflies go hide in the reeds, and they camouflage so they can hide from their predators. So different flora around the pond has different positive benefits for other insects and animals to protect them from others. So what I've already started doing is I made myself a little pond life. I drew my pond, and I've got my lily pads in here, and I've got my bobtails. And so what I did is I took a piece of paper and I traced my own hand and I cut it out. So what I want you to do is I want you to trace your hand, or if you need mommy or daddy to help you trace your hand, but I want you to use your big kid scissors and cut out a bunch of different hands. See, I did 3. And I'm going to do some more also because I'm going to do more than one flower. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take a glue stick and we're going to connect them and make our own flowers. And then I'm going to add these to my pond life. So I'm going to make another one, and I'm going to do some different colors. We can do white paper if we want, color it with our own crayons, make our own designs, because every flower is different, right? So that's what I'm going to do next. I did a red, blue, and yellow one, but now I'm going to do my own design. Okay, friends, so I just finished my hands, and I've colored them green and orange, kind of my own design, but I was thinking that my fingers are so long they resemble reeds, and I am going to glue these together, and they are going to act as my reeds, so hummingbirds, dragonflies, butterflies will feel safe coming to my pond because I have all this protection for them. They hide in here from predators because they can, they can disguise themselves in the tall grass. So I'm going to glue these together like so. And I've got my reeds. So I'm going to add that to my pond. So I've got my big flowers around my pond. I've got my flora over here. And then I'm going to glue this one down. Now to add a little bit more fun, sorry about my fingers, I did some tie-dye on Saturday and I didn't wear gloves. So for a little bit more fun, on your fingers you can write down and name some insects and some animals that are going to travel to your pond that are hiding or camouflaging in your flora. All right, boys and girls, so you can do 5 hands in a flower and make it go all the way around. You could do 2, you can do 1, do as many as you want. But I want you to cut out all by yourself your hands. and color them, design them however you'd like. All right, send me pictures. Have a great Monday. See you tomorrow.